Collapsible dish racks are a great addition to any kitchen. There are many products available to choose collapsible dish racks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best collapsible dish racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Collapsible Dish Drying Rack Portable Dish Drainers. The PEROR Dish Drying Rack is a space-saving and durable solution for your kitchen. Its collapsible design allows for easy storage, making it perfect for small kitchens, campers, and RVs. Made of high-quality materials, this dish drying rack is built to last. With its unique design, it can hold up to 8 large plates vertically, as well as glassware, cups, and small kitchen items. The large capacity of this dish rack allows you to dry multiple dishes, pots, and pans at once. It also features a non-slip design to protect your countertop and is easy to clean. Lightweight and portable, it can be used both indoors and outdoors. The PEROR Dish Drying Rack is a versatile and practical kitchen organizer that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Number 2. Popup Popup Collapsible Dish Drying Rack. This collapsible dish drying rack is a space-saving solution for your kitchen. It pops up to use and then collapses down for easy storage under the sink when not in use. The dish drain board allows water to run directly into the sink, keeping your counters clean and dry. It has room for 8 large plates and a built-in 4-sectional utensil drying rack. The heavy-duty plastic construction is simple to wipe clean and never rusts like the metal dish drying racks. It is also compact and portable, making it easy to take along when traveling, camping, or for use in an RV. Number 3. Oxo Good Grips Aluminum Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack. The Oxo Good Grips Aluminum Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack is a durable and stylish dish rack made of rust-proof aluminum that can contain items of all sizes. Its 2-layer design with raised ridges elevates items away from water for quick, efficient drying. The removable utensil cup can be placed on either side of the dish rack, and non-slip feet help keep it stable on countertops. When assembled and upright, it measures 16.4 L x 14.4 W x 9.5 H. Number 4. Collapsible Dish Rack for Kitchen Counter. The PX Rack 2-tier dish rack is a rust-proof stainless steel dish drying rack that is designed to save space and keep your kitchen organized. Made of premium stainless steel, this dish rack is durable and prevents rusting. With its collapsible 2-tier design, it frees up 50% of your kitchen counter space, allowing you to store different types and sizes of kitchenware. The dish rack is easy to install and clean, and it comes with a drain board for effective automatic drainage. The compact design includes a bowl rack, dish rack, utensil holder, knife and cutlery holder, cutting board holder, and removable drain board. With the PX Rack 2-tier dish rack, you can have a neat and clean kitchen countertop. Number 5. PEROR Collapsible Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer. The Progressive Collapsible Dish Drainer is a versatile kitchen accessory that offers both style and functionality. With the capacity to hold up to 8 plates measuring up to 10 inches in diameter, this dish rack also features a removable silverware tray. The best part is that it collapses to 1/3 of its full size for easy storage, making it perfect for those with limited kitchen space. Its extendable arms allow for adjustable sizing, ranging from 16 to 26 inches. Whether you are preparing food or drying dishes, this dish drainer makes the process faster and more convenient. Its stylish design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while its solid functionality ensures that it will last for years to come. The Progressive Collapsible Dish Drainer is an innovative kitchen essential that will make your daily tasks easier and more enjoyable. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.